relating to the Lombangla coal mining issues. I've taken this issue because the main purpose which the local resident of Lombangla village, from the statement of the headman of the village, we have seen that there are so much of exploitation happening in the village, and being a responsible citizen of the district, I couldn't just keep the issue locked down. I need to do something. I need to speak up, because I know that if we don't do it now, when shall we do? Who will do? Every now and then, since the ban of NGT coal mining since 2014, questions have been raised in this manner. What will happen? When do we get to work? What will be the scenario of the mining community in Meghalaya and as well in Jaintia Hills? So we could see that after the ban by NGT, and also by it was upheld by the Honorable Supreme Court on in the year 2019, on 3rd of July 2019, we could see that the government, no doubt, it has tried to bring some redressal for the public. But the main thing is that in the midst of that, we do want that the public should not suffer at all. Should not suffer at all, in the sense that we know that rule of law should prevail. It should prevail for both the high ups and the low at the same time. It shouldn't be that the high ups will escape the due process of law, and whereas the poor and underprivileged section of the society will be facing the stick. I can bear that on my own. I can bear that. So I need to take up these issues. And from what we have seen, that Lombangla village is just a small village. So with this kind of activities going on in that area, someone need to speak for them. I am very grateful for the respected MLA from Maulai, who have taken up these issues on his visit. He highlighted so many issues, and whereby the district police chief, in a way, he tried to await the visit made by the legislator. So the public need to understand that from my side, I have nothing to do against the public. What I'm trying to do here is that I'm trying to bring a long-term solution, whereby the government need to understand that oftenly, in a way, to open the coal mining, whereby they say that scientific mining has started in East Jaintia Hills. We do want, obviously we welcome that, but the main thing is that we want to sit in on the field. Now, people are asking in social media, posted by the Honorable CM of Meghalaya also, it has been highlighted that coal mining through the Sarangkham in Bynniaw village has been operationalized. We do want to see that it open in a way that it benefited all the local of the district and also in other part of the state. But unluckily, this kind of activities like what we have seen in Lombangla village, we do want to see that it should not continue. Rather, it should be addressed in such a way that the local innocent people feel safe, that the law of the land are with them. Currently, I cannot say that from what I've seen, it's so typical to see that they're being left as if there's no law in the district. But luckily, good people came up to take up these issues, and hopefully I would like to see also that the local representative of the district of East Jaintia Hills, they should find a way for all this illegal scientific mining. Now, from the government statement, I think just last week it was stated that many miners have approached for this scientific mining. So we do want to see that it is operationalized to ease the problem of the public, because at the end of the day, we could see that the main section of people who are suffering from this are those who are the marginalized